closed my eyes and said a prayer. When I looked down, you were there, and you were placed into my arms. So amazing. Who am I that God would trust His little one into my love? And now it all seems up to me. You're small and helpless. Your steps are ordered, your hairs are counted. I've been entrusted with God's beloved. How will I teach you how to walk when I'm so prone to wander off? How will I teach you how to live, to love and give? How will I teach you how to trust when I don't keep my promises? How can I teach you all these things? I'm still learning. Your steps are ordered, your hairs are counted. A life awaits you like a fountain. I am the only world you see. Your tiny hand reaches for me, so I take you by the hand